Very important news. News of joy and cheerfulness. Eucrats, you should be great vision, place, where you will be there. I repeat, because important. You create vision, where you will be there. I create vision of microcity, micrograd, microcity, on two places for stationary or a hospital for child with special needs, old people, Roma people, and people in needs. I have vision. Of many unity, many houses, special houses, different size. I have vision land or land and fields of beans, of corn, of potatoes, of vegetables, of fruits. I have vision on that place, that place in Mirkograd, Mirko City, with solar panel on every roof of house. I have many solar panels on lands. I have a vision of wind. I don't remember this moment how name it. Wind turbine with ellipse. I don't remember name of it. I have vision of factory of parfum, of shirts, t-shirts, t-shirts. I have vision on that place, Mirko Grad or Mirko cities, factory of juice and beers, but light beers with 2% alcohol, but and fruit taste, with beers with lemons, beers with orange, beers with curcuma, beers with taste of bananas, ananas. I have vision. That's begin. That is begin of my story for Mirko cities, or Mirko gradovima, micro cities or micro gradovima. That's begin. That is begin of everything. Vision, and you must think of that vision. I think of that I think of my vision that's stationary many times, many times, and that energy and vibration bigger, that's energy and vibration of thing, of many things growing and be bigger, until to happen of that, of my vision full happened, and for everybody who may who have damage, who have low respects, who have low finance, who have low self, who have needs for everything, and that vision will be happened for several years, 2 or 3 or 4. That's right. That's easy. I full of happiness and joy and cheerfulness for imagine, for I create that image, that picture of that stationery in mind, and that's all. That's all for everything. That's all for everything. You made this. You made that. You made it too. You made that too. Dear man, dear woman, dear young boy, dear young girl, that's simple. That's simple. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribe. Thank you for reading microband TV Motivart mindness. Thank you. See ya. All the best.